Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade fried pickles. Get ready to transform ordinary dill pickle slices into an extraordinary, crispy snack that everyone will love. This easy guide will walk you through each step, from preparing your ingredients to achieving that perfect golden brown crunch. You'll be surprised how simple it is to create this popular appetizer right in your own kitchen, ready to enjoy in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll need one large jar of dill pickle slices, thoroughly drained to prevent sogginess. For the dry coating, measure out 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, prepare your wet batter by whisking 1 large egg with 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget your seasonings. 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper will add a delightful kick to your crispy pickles. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a fantastic snack. Now for the fun part. First, dip each drained pickle slice into the wet egg and milk mixture, ensuring it's fully coated. Next, transfer it to the seasoned flour, pressing gently to ensure a complete and even coating. Heat 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the coated pickles into the hot oil, frying them for about 2 to 3 minutes, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crisp. Once your fried pickles are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil, and immediately sprinkle them with a pinch of salt for enhanced flavor. Serve these warm, crispy delights right away with your favorite dipping sauce, such as creamy ranch dressing or a zesty, spicy aioli. Get ready to savor every bite of your incredible homemade fried pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.